Wow, Rube, you're so tiny. Oh my God, and that comes up with it. So what do you think?
I just want to run up and give you a hug. I don't know why. You handled your nerves so well then, so I'm so proud of you for that, because I can tell you were nervous, but honestly, girl, you handled them really well. Like, it was so professional. You look amazing. Like, you look the part. You have such a stunning, special tone. Like, I can't wait to hear more from you. You were like using the stage, you were using the mic stand as your armrest. I was loving it. There was so much attitude and guts in there, and like, there was a little bit where you did like this slide and it was so smooth and effortless and stunning. I looked at them too and I was like, oh my God, it was so pretty. And that belt, where did that come from? Oh my God, that was mad. Honestly, be really, really, really super proud of yourself, because that was really amazing.
I cannot believe that you managed to sing like that with all those nerves. I really can't. How you handled yourself up there was absolutely incredible. And we've heard that song sung a lot, but that was by far the best version of that song that I've ever heard. Absolutely amazing. Honestly, when you first opened your mouth, you actually sounded a little bit like her, but then you took the song to another level, and I completely forgot who she was by the time that you finished, because there's just something so special about you, and what you brought to that was just, you are very, very special with a very, very special talent and a huge voice. I've got chills, just honest to God, that was absolutely, oh my God, beautiful. It was amazing. Well done.
Ruby, I'm absolutely feeling for you, only because, like, in terms of your learning technique, and like this week in the studio when we was going through songs and that, and me and your man was looking at each other when you tried this one, and it was like, oh my God, this is definitely the one. When I said to you about emotionally connecting to a song, and like, you're 13 and you shouldn't really be able to do that yet, but then you told me about your experience with an ex-boyfriend or something. Don't mind me mentioning it. You're missing out, but she's amazing. Sorry, I had to point that out. Boo you! Sorry, grow up, Joe. Right, no, sorry, no, but generally, that was over the top. What am I doing? No, sorry, no, sorry, my mouth don't shut up, because no, on a serious note, like when I said to you about emotionally connecting to a song, and you said about that experience, and I said, well, connect to it. If you can do it, you 100 billion% did that. Then there was so many parts in that song where there was just like that vulnerable connection. You know, when somebody sings, like, and somebody sings well, and then somebody sings, and you can tell they mean it. Vocally, you hear it, Kel, you do it a lot. When you really feel that somebody is singing, and you can feel their heart. I felt that in so many places throughout that. And actually, I'm really surprised, because you've outdone yourself tonight. You haven't just improved from your audition. I think you've shone, and I think you put yourself right at the top of this at the moment. That's how I feel from this performance. So that commitment you got, no matter what nerves you got, look at the result today. You know, we all just stood for you in that. So something you were doing is right. So stick at whatever you were doing and do it, because you got it, girl. Honest to God, that was 30 years of age, so small, and that just came out to me. Absolutely, by any standard amazing. You should be proud of yourself.